Another fine vehicle offered by Jim Keim Ford.
This is a 2008 Ford Fusion. The most desirable features on board this Ford include power windows, steering wheel controls, a multi-disc CD player, a security system, power child safety door locks, and this vehicle has just over 43,000 miles. It features a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. This Ford has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this car for yourself.
Jim Keim Ford is located at 5575 Keim Circle in Columbus. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.